Devotees in Vrindavan, therefore. Prabhupada is saying devotees in Vrindavan, therefore. That means every devotee is supposed to be a Braja Bhakta. But we can also take it literally and say, yes, we're in Vrindavan. We're trying to be in Vrindavan. Get through the outer covering. Devotees in Vrindavan, therefore they seek the mercy of Radharani. They seek the mercy of Radharani in order to be recognized as eternal servitors of Sri Krishna. So we must seek the mercy. So as I mentioned in the beginning, Prabhupada said coming to Vrindavan means to take shelter of Srimati Radharani. So we must beg for the mercy of Radharani, we must seek the mercy of Radharani, we must receive the mercy of Radharani. This is her kingdom. This is the gift of Vrindavan. Coming to Vrindavan means that you receive the mercy of Srimati Radharani. You may realize it and experience it, or you may not immediately realize it. But definitely this is the purpose of coming to Vrindavan.